The Renegade I-Series multi-stage 4824 conveyor cleaning system is a custom 3-stage wash, rinse, dry pass-through parts washing system that delivers continuous operation to clean and dry complex parts transported via conveyor. Each wash and rinse stage compartment contains spray manifolds with strategically placed nozzles to deliver high pressure force and high temperature cleaning. The gas heated dry stage compartment contains 2 zones for optimal drying sequences. Inlets and outlets are vented by a variable speed power vent blower to mitigate steam escape from the cleaning system. Key features include large 10-inch PLC HMI touchscreen with user-friendly controls, variable speed stainless steel conveyor transport system, 7-day timer for heating and skimming, sump sweep and dual filtration, a baffled 3-chambered rotating drum oil separator filtration system, smart liquid level sensing system with autofill, and electronic foam sensing system. The wash stage features 10 horsepower pumps controlled by variable frequency drives, gas heat, 400 micron dual filtration with sump sweep, and the 3-stage oil separation system. The oil separation system is a standalone unit designed for high volume oil separation applications. Contaminated wash solution is pumped from the sump of the wash stage. Once in the separator, the oil solution water travels through 3 baffled zones, and the oil is skimmed off the drum skimmers in each zone. The 2-zone dry stage is gas heated. Zone 1 features a 15 horsepower centrifugal blower to knock off any heavy or trapped water. Zone 2 utilizes 2 horsepower heated circulating blowers, generating a convection oven type environment, allowing the remaining water droplets to be evaporated. Renegade pass-through conveyor parts washers are designed for high production, repetitive cleaning operations that integrate with any production layout. The Renegade modular conveyorized cleaning system reduces labor and increases operational efficiency for real impact on your cost of operation.